Top 10 interview questions and answers about Microsoft SQL Server. The first question is, what is Microsoft SQL Server? The answer is, Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system, RDBMS, developed by Microsoft. It is designed to store and retrieve data as requested by other software applications. The second question is, what are the different editions of Microsoft SQL Server? The answer is, Microsoft SQL Server is available in various editions, including Enterprise, Standard, Web, Developer, and Express editions. Each edition has different features and limitations to cater to different needs. The third question is, what is a clustered index in SQL Server? The answer is, a clustered index determines the physical order of data rows in a table based on the values of one or more columns. It defines the storage structure for the table, allowing efficient retrieval of data based on the index key. The fourth question is, what is the difference between a primary key and a unique key in SQL Server? The answer is, both primary key and unique key enforce uniqueness of values in a column or a combination of columns. However, a primary key is used to uniquely identify each row in a table and cannot contain null values, while a unique key allows null values. The fifth question is, what is a stored procedure in SQL Server? The answer is, a stored procedure is a named set of SQL statements that are stored and executed on the server. It allows for code reusability, improved performance, and enhanced security by executing precompiled SQL statements. The sixth question is, what is normalization in SQL Server? The answer is, normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and dependency. It involves dividing larger tables into smaller, more manageable tables and defining relationships between them to eliminate data duplication. The seventh question is, how can you improve the performance of a SQL Server query? The answer is, there are several ways to improve query performance in SQL Server, such as creating indexes on frequently used columns, optimizing queries by using appropriate joins and conditions, avoiding unnecessary columns in the select statement, and using query execution plans to identify bottlenecks. The eighth question is, what are the different types of backups in SQL Server? The answer is, SQL Server supports various types of backups, including full backup, differential backup, and transaction log backup. Full backup captures the entire database, while differential backup captures only the changes since the last full backup. Transaction log backup captures the transaction log records for point-in-time recovery. The ninth question is, what is the difference between union and union all? The answer is, the union operator in SQL combines the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set. It removes duplicate rows from the combined result. On the other hand, the union all operator also combines the result sets of multiple select statements into a single result set, but it does not eliminate duplicate rows. It includes all rows from each select statement. The last question is, how can you secure SQL Server? The answer is, SQL Server can be secured by implementing best practices such as using strong passwords, encrypting sensitive data, limiting access through appropriate user permissions and roles, regularly applying security patches, and using features like SQL Server Audit and transparent data encryption to monitor and protect data. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.